Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for Dheya Masterpieces series. We have a special guest with us, our dear mentor, Mr. Ravindra Patil, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Great.
How about you?
I'm great, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
So, sir, with Dheya, can you walk us through about your career journey?
yeah, sure. I have graduated in 1989 from Mumbai University through science stream. And after that, I joined government organization that is Lubrizol India Limited as a lab chemist. Okay. So working as a lab chemist, I pursued my MSc also, master's degree in my chemistry, and I completed that in 1991. So I worked for Lubrizol India as a lab chemist for around 7 to 8 years. After that, I joined Shell International as a lab chemist. But looking at my career, looking at my performance, they shifted me to production head of blending unit, automated blending unit, where I was handling all the operations of automated blending unit. After that, internally, I was being shifted to purchase department where I was handling purchase of all the international purchases, and there I worked around in Shell around 7 to 8 years. After that, I joined Reliance Industries as GM purchased for their lubricant business. I was heading lubricant business purchases for complete unit. Working there for around 7 years, I joined Sahyadri Group of Hospital as CapEx purchase head, as a purchase head for capital items like CT, MRI, X-rays, and monitors. All those things were under my control. And after that, I headed the supply chain of Surya Hospital, which is a mother and child care hospital. Now, spending around 25 years in these different jobs, I thought that I should work for myself, and I started my own company, that is Swami Innovations, wherein I am right now manufacturing and trading the medical inputs which are catered to pharma corporates. Right now, I am heading that operations as well as sales. And one more company I have joined as a director, that is from Ahmedabad, Helis Exim Private Limited. I am director there and handling the operations of Helis Exim also. This is the career that I have shifted my career to, right from lab technician to owning a company.
Wow, that's a really wonderful career journey, sir. And I'm sure you're going to inspire a lot of people from your experience, your expertise. So,
Sure.
sir, as you're a mentor now with Dheya, you became a lab technician, now director of a company, and you own a company. Sir, at what point in life or what inspired you to become a career mentor?
Actually, I had gone through some ads of Dheya, and from call center I received call from Dheya, and they explained me what they will take me through the course of mentoring. And I thought that since I have struggled a lot shifting from one job profile to other job profile, when shifting my goals from one end to other end, I thought that I should at least help some students to fix their goal in the beginning and achieve that goal in the beginning. That's why I thought that I should join there as a mentor.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, now that you've become a mentor with Dheya, and I'm sure you're going to change a lot of lives with your guidance and your expertise. Sir, I want to ask you, what do you think how Dheya is going to change perspective towards career mentoring?
Yeah, I've gone through this mentoring sessions and seen the complete course and have interacted with Dheya. I thought that Dheya has a technical tool which would help these students to achieve their goal. Maybe a good analytical and technical tool will lead to the proper goal definition and achieving those goals which will, I think Dheya is the only platform where you can find such a technical thing.
Absolutely correct, sir. In this world of education, we have a lot of students coming to us who are confused about their career journey and what to do with their life. And through excellent mentors like you, we want to make their life better. We want to build their career better. So, sir, I have a last question in mind. What message you want to convey to those parents or students to build their career better?
Yeah, message is that parent has to synchronize their goal with the child, and looking at their strength points and weak points, Dheya would definitely help you to synchronize those goals. And I think that parents should go to Dheya's mentoring process and look at the opportunities where they can fit in their child for their goal achievement.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this message with us. And thank you for taking your precious time out and talking to us on the Masterpieces series. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you everyone for watching us today. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.